Kargil War, also called as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between Indian and Pakistani forces that took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay. The cause of the war was the infiltration of Pakistani soldiers and Pakistan-backed militants into areas on the Indian side of the line of control to occupy military posts vacated in the winter. India responded by launching a major military and diplomatic offensive to drive the Pakistani infiltrators. Reportedly, the Pakistan infiltration in the Kargil sector was reported by the local shepherds. The Indian Army launched a number of patrols to the area to estimate the extent of the infiltration. Initially, Pakistan blamed the fighting entirely on independent Kashmiri militants, but documents left behind by casualties and later statements by Pakistan's Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff revealed involvement of Pakistani paramilitary forces led by General Ashraf Rashid. The Indian Army, later on supported by the Indian Air Force, recaptured majority of the positions on the Indian side of the LOC within 2 months of the conflict that were trespassed by the infiltrators. According to official count, an estimated 75 to 80% of the intruded area and nearly all high ground was back under Indian control. Fearing large-scale increase in seriousness in the military conflict, the international community, led by the United States, increased diplomatic pressure on Pakistan to withdraw forces from remaining Indian territory. Faced with the possibility of international separation, the already fragile Pakistani economy was weakened further. The morale of Pakistani forces after the withdrawal declined as many units of the Northern Light Infantry suffered heavy casualties. The Pakistani government refused to accept the dead bodies of many officers, provoked anger and protests in the northern areas. Pakistan initially did not admit many of its casualties, but Nawaz Sharif later said that over 4,000 Pakistani troops were killed in the operation and that Pakistan had lost the conflict. The Indian casualties during the conflict stood at 527 soldiers killed and 1,363 wounded. The conflict officially came to an end on July 26, with India regaining its earlier hold on Kargil. 26 July since then is celebrated in India every year as Vijay Divas or Victory Day. Let us salute our soldiers who are brave and protect us all throughout the day and night. Let us remember their fights and toil on this day. Jai Hind.